Yes, sir. Um, Number one, sir, how do cultural norms influence our perceptions of other? Ano siya, sir, ng cultural norms significance for understanding behavior, values, and beliefs. Number two, sir, what role do social institutions play in shaping our lives? Social institutions, sir, play a fundamental role in shaping our lives by providing the structure and framework within which we live, we learn, work, and interact, sir. How we engage in constructive dialogue across cultural or societal differences. Engaging in constructive dialogue across cultural or societal differences requires conscious effort, empathy, and willingness to learn. Tira ako, sir.